So on the list, the naughty and nice list, do you actually count it twice like the song says? What does that mean exactly?
Absolutely, Pastor. And for you, 3 times.
Oh no. Hey, I'm having breakfast with Santa, and as you can see, Santa was buying, so I got the little bowl and he's got the big bowl. But it's true. But you can have breakfast with Santa also, and Navarre United Methodist Church will buy. That's going to be Saturday, December 2nd, and Sunday, December 3rd, both mornings at 8 o'clock a.m. through about 10 o'clock. We'll have breakfast, time to talk to Santa, take pictures with Santa, and to have a lot of fun with our friends and our family. I hope you'll come and be with us. But with regard to the naughty and nice list, if I did something bad 20 years ago, am I still on the naughty list now?